Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Semrush for keyword research. So first head over to google.com, hit Semrush, the Google search bar, then enter. Now click on the first Google link. Now here you're going to add your website and get inside, so this tool will give you the exact topic of your website. But if you want to do keyword research, you need to go to products. Now here we're going to have to access the keyword research tool. So first type in, for example, how to make rice bowl, for example, and hit enter. You will get the exact keyword research that you entered. The keyword difficulty is difficult to rank for it or not. This is easy. The search volume, and you will get other variations of the same keyword. So this is the exact variation. So you also need to pay Semrush Pro to access the full keyword research variation for each keyword you type in. You can also have the domain overview, have a keyword gap. You can also have this tool, the backlink gap tool. So this gives you the backlink opportunity for your website. So you can also track the position of your keyword here. You can use new tools that enables you to write SEO content. You can search for a topic, and these are the other tools. You can check the organic traffic insight. So you can also check your own pages here for your website. And there are other tools, so you can link the link building tool and etc. That's it, guys. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.